Top button is the power button. Press to activate VALO. The bottom button is the time and mode button. This button is used to change the timing interval or the mode. Standard mode is shown by a solid green light on the left of the panel. The 4 lights on the right represent the time. To change the time in 5-second intervals, press the time and mode button. The beep and illuminated lights will change with each press of the button, cycling from 5 up to 20 seconds. VALO comes equipped with 3 modes: Standard, which delivers 1000 milliwatts per centimeter squared; High Power, which delivers 1400 milliwatts per centimeter squared, and is intended to be attacking mode; and finally, the Extra Power mode, which delivers 3200 milliwatts per centimeter squared for plasma arc-like power. You will notice when you are using VALO, the sleek head allows perpendicular access to the resin you are curing, which results in more energy being delivered. The lens system is made up of glass and rhodium plating, which is what gives VALO the intense beam of light, even at a distance.